必要だと思うんだよ。ダンジョンを滑る王か。地下100階層にはラミリスの判定とも言うべき生命連休の名前が添えられない。ついに来たようだな。我のオーラを解放するときだ。では行くぞ。かなり我慢してたんだな、ベルドラのやつ。来た単純中に師匠の強力な技が行き渡っていってる。
Veldora, the storm dragon, born as the incarnation of chaos with control over wind, water, and space. After being released from Rimuru's stomach, Veldora was given a body double as a vessel, which he reshaped to his liking. Veldora is loud, excitable, and easygoing. He's energetic, prideful, and loves showing off his strength. Despite his childish side, he's knowledgeable and driven by curiosity. Veldora's ultimate skill, Nyarlathotep, Lord of Chaos, have a skill called probability manipulation. Allows the user to control the probability of any outcome. It ensures the desired result with precision. Against equally strong opponents, it only doubles the odds of a specific outcome. Veldora can wield true dragon magic and his own Veldora-style killing arts. Veldora's powerful technique, the Fertile Paradox, unleashes a rainbow-colored darkness that rapidly spreads, healing and transforming everything it touches. The once magicule contaminated barren lands turn into a lush, green landscape like the Great Jura Forest. He is the fourth true dragon among his siblings.
必要だと思うんだよ。ダンジョンを滑る王か。地下100階層にはラメルスの根底とも言うべき生命要求への涙が据えられない。Eliminate the dragon. I swear I'll bring you his head. Hinata, while it's true you've grown much stronger, it's not enough. Even ignoring Rimuru, you can't beat Veldora.
Lady Luminous speaks the truth. The Storm Dragon's power isn't like anything you've experienced.
I don't understand. Wasn't he sealed by the hero? Listen very carefully. Veldora is the incarnation of natural energy. A raging storm can be brought to heal temporarily, but the evil dragon has the will to circumvent all. Neither spells nor swords affect it. When he rampages, the shockwaves of his anger can be felt around the world.
That thing's a walking disaster. I still remember how in a fit of rage, he turned Lady Luminous's beautiful Night Rose into a desolate ruin.
Índio come chora, índio come.